Okomirwe kandi akasinduka ha rumanda n'omushomesa wa humwire Solomon Thabiti w'emyaka 61 omutura w'ekyaro kya Kibuga omutanukanso ya Katoke omu district ya Kyenjojo. Julius Hakiza Arani omugambirizi wa polisi omu kyanga kya Albertine nagira ngo oguba mukwasire ahabo kugira ngo omuvugi wa taxi yakabura.
Omuvugi ondijo kyonka ekyo kutono twashangira emotoka egeyeye of course twagira katukore 5 nawe mini wairo atuyambe kurora operator driver so driver mubata mulesire so wetu baze kumukwata twara mushango bamuteko mushango bokuremerwa operator driver.
Sabito guyaletu mukoti ya chief magistrate yabe kurirwa muramuzi George Kunihira nuko kumushomero mushango ogwo butabika bahandiko ebirukwata ha muntu wabe navuga motoka ye.
When you employ somebody or driver to drive your motor vehicle, you're supposed to keep records, and for the records they mean the driving permit. You get it? That is the main record they are referring to, because I see here with name and driving license of your driver.
Sabiti yagezaho kushaba kwemererwa agumizungu ayine burire bwa shukari.
And I suffer from diabetes and hypertension. I never carried my tablets. And as I talk now, I'm not feeling alright. It was my humble request. I don't know how you can do it. It's my humble request.
Yes.
That way is done for me.
Omuramuzi yanga kuhurikiruzo kushaba kwe ari kugira ngo muhababe bwa government yabatari mukoti nuko kumusindika ha rumanda okusebiri 12 kwezi uko.
So I'm going to adjourn this matter for your bail application. I'm going to give you a date that we shall hear the bail application. Understood? Have you understood what I'm communicating?
Meaning
for today, we shall not hear the bail application. I'm going to remind you to the nearest date available for the bail application. That is what I'm saying.
Omugenzi banura akatomerwa taxi ari kushohora motoka ya government ya Toyota Hilux namba UJ39 0008 gasha kwa Nwagaba Ambrose Katoto.